Hey, so let's get started with the first module, Introduction to Mixpanel. So what exactly is Mixpanel? So Mixpanel is a product analytics tool that helps you understand how users interact with your website, product, and get insights out of it, right? It helps you dive deep into user behavior, enabling you to make data-driven decisions to improve and grow your product. So few examples. So let's say if you're looking to answer questions like how many users signed up, which marketing channel brought them in, where exactly are your users dropping off in the checkout process, do users perform a specific action more often, or do they have better retention compared to others? So you can use Mixpanel to answer all of these questions, right? And one of the natural questions that you might have is, okay, so what is product analytics and how is it different from business or data analytics, right? So let's go through a quick table that I've created. So let's talk about definition first. So product analytics is all about analyzing how users interact with your product, usually digital, right? So you either have a website, you have a mobile app, so on. On the other side, business and data analytics is about providing insights into overall business performance, right? So it's not specifically looking at user behavior or how user interacting with your product, but it's around like overall business performance. If you talk about focus areas, so product analytics is focusing on user interactions, right, within a specific product, whereas business or data analytics is actually focusing on overall business performance metrics. So something like I'll give you a quick example, right? So let's talk about the kind of data that we collect. So in product analytics, you're collecting data like clicks, navigation paths, feature usage, conversion events. Whereas in business or data analytics, you're looking at things like revenue, sales data, market trends, customer demographics, right? So let's take a quick example here of Amazon, right? I'm sure everyone's heard of Amazon. So product analytics for Amazon is everything that's happening within their mobile app, right? So people purchasing, people browsing products, people sort of adding to cart, all of that. So all of that would come under product analytics, and everything that's around, which, let's say, which cities are generating the most sales, what do the market trends look like, what does our customer demographic look like, how does our revenue look like, how is our supply chain performing, all of that would actually come under business or data analytics. And so lastly, the purpose of product analytics is about enhancing user experience, boosting engagement, and driving growth, whereas the purpose of business or data analytics is actually improving business strategies, optimizing operations, and increasing profitability, right? Cool. So next, how is Mixpanel actually different from tools like Heap, Full Story, etc.? So Mixpanel actually focuses on in-depth funnel analysis, user segmentation, and cohort analysis, whereas Heap and Full Story offer you a broader range of features like heat maps, automatic insight generation, etc. In short, if I have to put it in a simpler way, so I would say Mixpanel is a vertical tool. So they've built on top of product analytics. Like they give you a lot more flexibility in the core product analytics, whereas tools like Heap and Full Story are more vertical tools where they give you a bit of product analytics, they give you a bit of web analytics, they give you a lot of other features, right? When you talk about data analysis, so like I said, so if you're using Mixpanel, you can actually get granular insights and flexible data analysis capabilities, whereas Heap and Full Story, those kind of tools may not provide the same level of detailed data insights, but they'll give you a larger range of features, right? So you can look at, okay, I have this page, this is where people are clicking around, or this is where their mouse is, right? Whereas in Mixpanel, you will not get that, but you can dive deeper and answer questions like how many times does a user do an action X before they actually do an action Y, but you won't be able to do that in Heap or Full Story. And so if you're actually looking to choose between the two, I would say that, so if you're a business that needs deep exploration of user behavior and custom data analysis, Mixpanel is your go-to tool. If you look for if you're just looking for like an easier setup and a wider range of features and don't want to do a lot of custom analysis yourself, Heap, Full Story would be a better choice for you.